Gentlemen, after 50, your wardrobe choices matter more than ever. Some harmless habits in your style can secretly add years to your look. In this video, we'll uncover 8 style mistakes aging men fast and the smarter alternatives that make you look sharp, confident, and easily 10 years younger. Stick with me, and let's refine your style together. And don't forget to subscribe to the Man Style Decree for more timeless fashion insights. One, oversized polo shirts that drown your frame. After 50, many men cling to oversized polo shirts, thinking they're comfortable or youthful. In reality, these shirts add bulk and make you look shapeless. They hide your natural proportions and age you instantly. Instead, opt for a polo that fits close to the body without being tight. The sleeves should stop mid-bicep, and the length should hit around mid-fly, not cover half your thighs. Fabric also matters. Lightweight cotton, piqué, or jersey is timeless. The right fit trims your silhouette, sharpens your style, and can easily make you appear leaner and younger. This small adjustment turns a tired, sloppy look into something crisp and polished. Think James Bond, not the golf dad. 2. Baggy jeans that belong in the 90s. Baggy jeans may have been a trend in the past, but wearing them after 50 is one of the fastest ways to add visual weight and years to your appearance. They sag at the waist, bunch at the ankles, and create a sloppy outline. Instead, stick to straight leg or slim straight jeans in dark washes. Dark indigo or black denim is universally flattering and can be dressed up or down. The cleaner the line, the sharper your overall image. Jeans should rest comfortably at your waist, not sag halfway down. Getting this right signals refinement, not rebellion. A man who embraces a tailored fit in denim communicates confidence and timelessness, not nostalgia for decades past. 3. Outdated square-toe shoes. Square-toe shoes are clunky, outdated, and instantly mark you as stuck in the past. They distort your proportions and make your legs appear shorter. The truth is, after 50, footwear speaks volumes. Shoes are one of the first things people notice. Swap square-toe monstrosities for timeless styles. Rounded toe derbies, sleek loafers, or minimalist sneakers. Choose leather in versatile shades like brown, tan, or black. A well-chosen shoe sharpens your entire outfit, instantly signaling style. Awareness modern footwear doesn't need to scream trendy. It should whisper refinement. Every step should reflect intention, not indifference. Shoes, more than anything, separate men who still care about style from those who gave up. 4. Untucked dress shirts with long tails. Wearing a dress shirt untucked after 50 creates a sloppy, ballooning effect. The long tails aren't designed to be worn casually. They overwhelm your frame and add unnecessary bulk. The better choice: shirts with a shorter, tailored hem, designed specifically to be worn untucked, like casual Oxfords or linen button-downs. These create balance without appearing unfinished. Make sure the hem ends around mid-zipper, not below the seat. Tucking a dress shirt, when appropriate, also elevates your look instantly. It shows you know the difference between casual and careless. A crisp fit with clean lines makes you look deliberate, not disheveled, shaving years off your perceived age. Five, overly branded hoodies. Bold logo hoodies may feel like a shortcut to casual cool, but after 50, they often make you look like you're chasing youth rather than embracing timelessness. Instead of oversized logos and flashy prints, choose minimalist hoodies in solid colors. A simple navy, charcoal, or olive hoodie in quality cotton or merino wool blends can pair beautifully with tailored pieces like slim trousers or a smart jacket. This elevates your casual wardrobe, turning something weekend sloppy into weekend sharp. The hoodie itself isn't the problem, it's how it's styled. Removing the billboard logos and choosing refined fabrics communicates maturity and modern taste, while still keeping comfort at the core. Six, running sneakers with everyday outfits. After 50, pairing chunky running sneakers with jeans or chinos makes your outfit look lazy and dated. These shoes are built for the gym, not daily style. They add bulk to your frame and instantly lower the sophistication of even a decent outfit. Instead, switch to minimalist sneakers in leather or suede. White, gray, or navy sneakers can pair with almost everything from chinos to casual tailoring. They keep the casual vibe, but sharpen the overall look dramatically. The key is choosing sneakers that are slim, streamlined, and well-maintained. By upgrading your footwear in this small way, you show refinement while keeping comfort. It's the kind of subtle swap that makes people think, "This guy knows style," without you saying a word. Seven, overly distressed denim jackets. Distressed denim jackets with rips, patches, or heavy fading scream midlife crisis after 50. While a touch of natural wear can be stylish, anything excessive looks try-hard and unpolished. The upgrade, a clean, dark-wash denim jacket with minimal fading. This version offers structure, sophistication, and timeless appeal. It pairs beautifully with chinos, trousers, or even layered over knitwear. The jacket should fit close to the body, hitting around the waistline for balance. This creates a youthful, yet refined outline, free of gimmicks. Subtlety is power at this age. Clean lines and understated colorways add authority and timelessness, keeping your look confident without looking like you're chasing trends. Eight, loud patterned shirts that dominate your look. Shirts with neon florals, oversized paisleys, or wild prints can overwhelm your frame and give off a desperate for attention vibe after 50. They often drown out your features and leave you looking more like a vacation cliché than a refined man. Instead, keep patterns, subtle microchecks, thin stripes, or muted florals in earthy tones. These add visual interest without overpowering your presence. A patterned shirt should enhance your style, not become the whole story. The balance lies in choosing versatile colors that pair well with neutrals like navy, beige, or charcoal. This way, your shirt adds personality while staying sophisticated. The result, a stylish, confident man who looks in command of his choices, not at the mercy of them. 9. Baggy cargo shorts. Cargo shorts with oversized pockets belong in the 2000s, not on men over 50. They widen the hips, shorten the legs, and create a bulky, unrefined shape. Even worse, the oversized pockets sag and distract from your overall silhouette. The smarter option, tailored chino shorts that hit just above the knee. Neutral tones like khaki, navy, or olive are versatile and sophisticated. They keep your legs looking proportionate and polished, while still casual enough for warm weather. Pair them with polos, linen shirts, or lightweight knitwear to elevate your summer outfits. Cargo shorts make you look dated, but tailored shorts give off modern confidence without sacrificing comfort. Ten, overstuffed wallet, bulging in your pocket. An overstuffed wallet jammed into your back pocket ruins the lines of your trousers and instantly adds an outdated, careless vibe. It creates bulk where you don't want it and cheapens even the most stylish outfit. The modern upgrade, a slim card holder or minimalist wallet that slides easily into your front pocket. Leather in black, brown, or navy keeps it refined, and the compact design eliminates the awkward bulge. This small detail makes a huge difference in how polished your outfit looks. A man's accessories should reflect precision and control. Your wallet included at 50+. It's not about showing how much you carry, but how intentionally you carry yourself. Eleven, graphic tees with loud prints. At 50+, oversized graphic tees with giant logos, superheroes, or loud slogans feel juvenile and take away sophistication. They don't flatter your shape and often give off a trying too hard vibe. The smarter choice, a well-fitted plain crew neck, or a polo in neutral tones like white navy or heather gray. These pieces highlight your physique without shouting for attention. They pair seamlessly with jeans, chinos, or layered under a blazer. A clean t-shirt gives timeless style that feels casual, yet refined, showing you understand restraint and confidence. Think less about making the shirt the star, and more about letting your overall outfit shine. "12. Oversized hoodies as everyday wear. Baggy hoodies may feel comfortable, but they add bulk and instantly age you past 50. They create sloppy, shapeless lines that clash with a mature man's refined presence. Instead, go for a fitted zip hoodie in premium cotton or merino wool. In darker neutrals like charcoal, navy, or olive, it keeps the casual comfort but sharpens the silhouette. Wear it layered under a lightweight jacket, or pair it with slim chinos for a modern, sporty casual edge. This way, you maintain comfort without sacrificing polish. A clean hoodie shows you've mastered blending ease and elegance, something most men miss as they age. "13. Untucked baggy dress shirts. Loose, untucked dress shirts hanging past the hips look sloppy and instantly age you after 50. They disrupt proportions, making you appear shorter and less put together. The upgrade, tailored dress shirts, a curved hem designed to be worn tucked, or if casual, shorter untucked shirts that end mid. Choose fabrics like crisp cotton or lightweight Oxford, in colors such as light blue, white, or subtle stripes. Tucked into well-fitted trousers or chinos, the look is lean, structured, and polished. This small styling detail transforms how sharp you appear, proving you know how to wear classics the right way. (14) Old, worn-out leather belts. A cracked, worn belt with fading leather and a dull buckle instantly downgrades your outfit. Even in a sharp suit, a bad belt screams neglect. The better option, a high-quality leather belt in black or brown with a sleek, polished buckle. Match your belt to your shoes, brown with brown, black with black, for a cohesive look. This small detail sharpens your entire outfit and communicates attention to refinement. Investing in timeless leather accessories reflects quiet elegance. At 50+, your belt should elevate your look, not betray it. (15) Ill-fitted blazers. A blazer that's too big in the shoulders or too long in the sleeves adds years to your look and removes all sharpness. It makes you appear out of touch, even in an otherwise good outfit. A tailored blazer with structured shoulders, slim sleeves, and a length that ends around mid-hip. Fabrics like navy wool, light gray linen, or even soft tweed work, depending on season. Pair it with chinos or dark jeans for a polished, smart style. A well-fitted blazer frames your body, slims your shape, and projects authority. At 50+, it's not just clothing, it's a signature of your confidence and maturity. Looking younger after 50 isn't about chasing trends. It's about eliminating the wrong habits and mastering refined style. Every detail counts, and when done right, it can take a decade off your appearance. Thank you for watching. Now it's your turn to level up your wardrobe. Don't forget to hit like, share this video, and subscribe to the Man's Style Decree for more powerful style tips that keep you confident, sharp, and ageless.